Hi, I'm Miguel.
And I'm Bernadette.
And they say our lives are boring.
But I think it's fine. It's fine.
We're fine.
We're fine.
I work in the IT department.
And I'm just a church girl. And our family basically says we're boring. So we decided we want to try the cool thing and we're gonna become Marvin and the Beast. And who else? Nickesha.
This couple is tired of being called lame and nerdy. They want a chance at being trendy and hype, just like their idols, Marvin the Beast and dancehall queen Nickesha. So today, Dave and Eddie will seek to transform them into dancehall's hottest couple.
Nice.
Pleasure to meet you.
Alright, ready.
Eddie?
Bernadette. You ready?
Long time.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Eddie, I think what me I think? Are you thinking what I'm
I
thinking?
am thinking it.
Say it.
1, 2.
Black.
Alright, so let's come with me, man.
Can't be Marvin and Nickesha and so black. Need some necrosome.
You can dance?
Yeah, I can stick on.
Let me see it.
Let me see, go ahead. See,
Nah, Christ. Let me see
turn,
you.
me
What
turn.
can you do?
Yes.
listen to me now, man.
Way up.
Walk on the top.
Way up.
Alright, so here we go, guys. We're gonna split up. I wanna make this happen. Ready?
Alright,
Alright, man.
So,
Let's go.
you fun.
Let's go, go. You can do it, man. You can do it, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. Good, good, good.
How badly do you want to be Nickesha? Louder. Louder. Yeah, that worked.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Alright, 4. Okay. Come in, man. Come in. Alright, come on, up.
Go, no, you go up and you boom, 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 boom. Put up your foot and cock out your body. And boom, boom, watch out for this. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. Shake it some more. Shake it some more.
Alright. Yeah. No, man, listen to me. Come. We can do this. We can do Marvin. Alright, you need to know the part now. This got to go. This got to go.
But I can't see.
That you don't need to see. Alright, come now, man. Oi, where you go? We just come. God, come.
The knee glide wine. You move your foot like this. And then you, ooh. Yes, do it like that, grinding up, like, ooh. Then you look like you say a friend, like, hey girl, ooh. And then you, ooh. Yes, put in your hands into it. Like, yes. More, do some more. Yes. Alright, go on. Climb the tree, now, sir. Climb the tree. Hello, Mr. the big man, going in for go up their feet. Climb the tree, man. Come on, wax off. Have you ever been on your head top before? You're going to learn today, so go like this. Put on your head. Okay? No, go up. Put your head. No, go up. Go up. Yeah. No, hold on. Yeah. Hold it. Yes, you did it. Oh, you reach your head top. You did it.
Come dog.
Okay. Now put up your hand in the hair like you in the middle. Like a gymnast. I'm proud of you. Give me a hug. Get off of me.
So, no one for me Nickesha and Marvin.
Yes.
No, the yes, the sound too low.
Thank you.
Carry it up, yes.
Yes. Alright, cool.
Alright, first step. In order for me Nickesha and Marvin, you have to do a car selfie video.
What is this?
Steering wheel.
Car.
Yes, what you do with car?
You drive it.
No, drive.
Not when you're Marvin and
No.
Nickesha.
You take
You must
selfie.
park.
Yes.
And take selfie.
That's it. Alright.
Selfie video.
Talk.
Hi.
No.
Oh, Jesus.
No. Big up your friend there.
Talk about your haters.
Let them not like you.
Big up my friend them.
Yeah.
We don't like me through the years.
We don't like me through the years.
Through the air.
Ah, Jesus, people, the pass it. Come out of the car and pass it.
No, you never drive. Come on. Come on, you have car. Come on. So, ladies and gentlemen, them car gonna further, you know, without having the look.
Them stay
You
bad.
have to walk the walk and look the walk.
And look the
Talk. Alright, so, here we go now. We're gonna settle up. I'm gonna go in front of my arcade. But then go, I mean,
big up downtown.
you need a wiggle. You need more Britain cream.
You need some shoes,
Something about that shorts
pants
there.
yeah.
Something about that
And
shorts
pants
there.
Shorts.
Something about that shorts there. We don't know. Anyway, moving on. Let's do it. Go.
Go on.
Drop a sign, so I keep what me there behind. No, just for what you have a mind. Snap around the picture, she pretty on any side, mama swine. bad, so me never choice. Well. Glow my baby, glow my baby. You man in your life, I need to show my.
You know, I don't even know who I was before. I'm so loving this life. How do you feel, babe? Don't know. Queen and the king. We run this. Taking the world by storm. Who have we been made into?
Marvin the Beez.
And Nickesha, the queen.
Funk Master Flex. This young guy.